Here is another momentum update. So the first item we have on here is within the prospect details page, we have a new in-place edit. So if we go to prospect and leads and we go into any existing prospect, you will see you can now put the details area into edit mode and update any information, making updating this general prospect information so much faster. A few weeks ago, we introduced within the notes a disposition field. With this update, we have given you the ability to not only edit existing dispositions, but also to add new dispositions in. If you go to miscellaneous, agency customization, and then notes disposition, you can edit any of the existing, or you can go ahead and create a new one. We have new interactive reports for the lead source. The lead source is another thing we've added in. If you go to any insured or prospect, you can see the lead sources right here. Usually it's something like this came from Google, it came from this campaign. It's a way to document how a client came to you beyond, who they were referred by. But if we go to interactive reports, we'll search for all reports. We have quotes by lead source. We also have an interactive report for tasks by work groups. Work groups is another thing we've added in the last couple of months, but work groups have always been a way to document, this team is working on this together, but now you can actually assign it to that team, which means we can actually set up a report that will help you see exactly who's assigned to what and which work group it's assigned to. Under tools, we've added in a brand new tool to check for data mismatch. So if you go to miscellaneous tools, you can go to check for data mismatch right here, and you could check for data mismatch by state, by the referral source, or by agency location. So it'll show you the policy state and the insured state, policy referral source and insured referral source, and the policy agency location and the insured agency location. Under policies and quotes, we added a new batch action to change other company. So if I go to policies, go to the batch actions right here. So change other company. We've added in a brand new type of export. So if you are exporting and it's not a large export, keep in mind large exports will still require the normal process where it emails you the export. But if it is not a large export, you can actually use the new option called quick export. And instead of having it email it to you or anything like that, what it will do is it will just download the export right here. Under vehicles, we've added a new search filter for the registration expired date. So if I go to an existing insured and I go to their vehicles, you'll see it was already turned on. It's not turned on by default, but it's called registration expired date or registration expiration date. And you can go to here and you could search it, and it will show you all of the vehicles that fall within that period. And then under global search results, we've added in a brand new map marker to display the address. So if I go here and I type in this certificate holder, you'll see it will come up. We see it's a certificate holder, and there's that map marker. We can go ahead and click on it, and it will preview the address.